Hi everyone, so today we're gonna earn money just from $100. We're gonna earn till the 2000, a little bit more, a little bit less, so let's see how it goes. And let's start. My name is Camila and we're gonna start as usual with choosing assets with the biggest payout. You can see the biggest payout here is 92%. We're gonna choose as much as possible to fit in our screen so we can have a variety to choose between them. We're gonna use the candles for 30 seconds and also we're gonna use some interesting indicators here. So we're gonna use average true range and the oscillator. We're gonna a little bit different them so it's gonna be comfortable for us to work with. We're gonna choose the period 7 here. Also we're gonna use the same periods here to synchronize them, and also I'm gonna change the style a little bit so it's gonna be more comfortable for me to see the line, We're gonna use the time frame 1 minute, 3 minutes in different situation, from different asset to different asset. And also we're gonna start with $100, of course. Okay guys, so let's start. We already have our indicators set, so let's find the best asset. I'm usually checking all the assets before the started the trading, and we can see that the market is pretty unstable today, so probably we're gonna work more with 1 minute trades. So let's see what's happening here. I think that we're gonna go for downwards here for a short period time, and I'm gonna tell you why. So first of all, we can see that the flow is going higher for this position. It's kinda like the maximum situation here, so I think that we're gonna work with the curve to the downward situation, to the downwards position to compensate and bounce back this big growing up. Also we can see on average true range this little tail that's showing us yes, we're probably gonna go downwards, and the oscillator showing us that we don't have a lot of buyers in this asset. And that is what's happening with the price right now. We are going downwards pretty stably, pretty understanding, and we already testing the support zones that we have right here. You can see it by yourself that we already going through it, and it is pretty understandable, pretty easily, and that's fast. We're having our first profitable deal, and I think that is amazing. So let's delete all the drawings and continue. Okay guys, so we had our first very fast profit, and let's continue. I think that we continue still on the same market, and we can see that the price is started to grow, and I think that in a short time period we're probably gonna grow because we started working with the curves. You can see it by yourself, and we have zone of resistance right here that we're probably gonna test now, and you can see that we already going through this zone, and I think that is very nice position to put the trade in. So it's nice moment for a signal, Let's see, on an average true range we're pretty unstable, but the oscillator showing us that we have buyers on that asset, and that is giving us very comfortable position to be sure in our trade for the moment. And you can see that we are trying to test this resistance zone. We're really trying to go higher in that position for a few seconds. We're trying to test it out, but we are not sure that is we're gonna test it or not, and that is a place for a few seconds deal. And as you can see, just few seconds and we won this trade. We have the profit, but few seconds later and we could lose it. So that is very interesting moment of the market, and still we can work with this asset again. I think so. We're seeing that the price is going downwards. We continue to work with the curves. Let's put for 1 minute to the downwards. I'm showing you how to work with one asset to your profit, and I think that is very interesting situation. So sometimes you can work only with one asset for 3-4 trades and getting the profit from the understandable position of the market for this asset, and I think that is very interesting and also very useful for you. As we can see, on the average true range we have this very strong position to going downwards because we hit the top moment. Also the oscillator, we have this zero position. As you can see, we don't have buyers, but we have like space, the window between the buyers and the marketing platforms. So here we're just having the window for the pushing up or down the price. So let's wait a few seconds, and guys, we're having the profit from this same asset again, and we already have $700, and it's amazingly nice. I don't know, that's just analyzing, focusing on all the moment and understanding them, giving you an opportunity to grow your capital. And I think that's amazing. Only one asset, only two indicators, and only one technical analysis, giving you the opportunity to grow your capital so easily and so fast. Okay guys, so we already had a lot of profit from this asset, and I think we still can have one more. So what do you think? I think we can continue here a little bit. So we're working with the curves and the maximum minimum situations again, and we had a long time for growing downwards, and I think that now we're gonna bounce it back to the higher positions. So let's see what is happening. We have a little bit curve on this position on the average true range, and also with the oscillator we can see this curve bounce back right here. That is pretty unstable situation on the market, that the moment of growing or falling down is pretty scary to put the money in. But when you have enough experience and understanding of the market, you still have a profit from this position, even though they are not understandably enough, not stable enough for all the buyers on the market. But as you can see, the price is growing little by little, and that is very, very nice. Just few seconds guys, and we won. You see that probably some person already closed the note and told, oh my god, it's non-profitable deal, I'm gonna lose money. Just few seconds and you won. That's what is important on the market, to control your emotions and to analyze everything. Okay guys, so let's continue. We're already halfway to our goal, and I think that is just fantastic how just in few seconds you can turn your goal into real life. And let's see what's happening here. We can see that we are bouncing back from the curve to the best case scenario, to the lowering our price down. We're working with the curves with a little steps, and that is pretty understandable. On average true range we see the stable lowering the positions, and that is just very, very interesting moment for us. So let's just wait and see what's gonna happen, because guys, we're gonna have our goal just in few seconds, and I think that is pretty wonderful situation. So we see that the candles here showed us the resistance zone. They showed us that, guys, probably you should go downwards because we don't have comfortable position up here. And just few seconds guys, and you will see how we reach our goal. Okay guys, so we turned our goal to reality just in few minutes. We earned $2,000 and 200 just in few minutes, and I think that is just crazy how easily to do it with binary options and pocket option. And also, if you wanna grow your capital like this, I have absolutely free channel in Telegram where I give you free signals, and you can trade with me and do it consistently for every week. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel to have all my interesting and useful video and not to lose it. Bye bye, my name is Camila.